Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee (Mpcc) today took out a protest march on BT Road condemning the arrest of Congress party leader Priyanka Gandhi while she along with a group of Congress leaders were on their way to Lakhimpur Kheri where 4 farmers were killed on Sunday after Union Minister Ajay Mishra's son allegedly drove a vehicle into a group of protesting farmers. Heated argument broke out between the police and the protesters while police tried to stop the march. All India Congress Committee AICC's election in charge of Manipur, Jai Ram Ramesh, AICC Manipur in charge, Bhakta Charan Das, President of Mpcc, and Loken, MLA of Wangkhem SC, Kaisam Megachandra, MLA of Patsoi AC, AK Mirabai, and leaders of NSUI, Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress, Pradesh Congress Seva Dal and Mpcc took part in the protest that began from Mpcc office on BT Road around 12:30. A team of police led by officer in charge of City Police Sudhir Kumar tried to control the protest that took place in front of the Mpcc office. After a while, an altercation broke out between both sides, but the protesters resumed the protest. Addressing the media, Manipur AICC in charge Bhakta Charan Das condemned the arrest of Priyanka Gandhi and other party leaders, Uttar Pradesh government. Prime Minister Narendra Modi must apologize to the farmers about the incident and the government must fulfill the demands of the farmers against the 3 farm bills, he said. He condemned the centre's silence of the farm bill protests by the farmers for more than a year now. It is not clear whether the BJP government is following democracy or dictatorship. Bhakta Charan Das asserted Prime Minister Narendra Modi to bring an amicable solution to the farmers' demand in connection to his Lucknow visit today. If not, they want to take up agitations across the country.
And the BJP government in UP have brutally behaved with the farmers, illegally arrested popular leader of Congress party, Srimati Priyanka Gandhi ji. The house detention they have made. The Congress party Manipur demand immediate release, unconditional release of Srimati Priyanka Gandhi ji. Otherwise, today entire country protest is going on and it will be there.